For this recipe, we are using 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Begin by squeezing half a lemon juice over the chicken. Then season with 4 cloves of garlic, minced, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 packet of sazon, 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a toss and ensure that all the chicken pieces are coated evenly. Now, set your Instant Pot to the sauté setting and press start. To your Instant Pot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Cook off the sugar until it turns to a light brown. Keep an eye on the sugar, you don't want it to burn. If it does burn, it will taste bitter. And once the sugar has turned to a light brown color, add the chicken in. Sear the chicken until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And once your chicken is looking brown and beautiful, remove from the pot. Oh, and one more thing. The chicken is still raw, so do not try to eat it. Once all the chicken pieces have been removed, set them aside. Then add 1 medium-sized onion diced, followed by half a green bell pepper diced as well. You could also use red bell pepper instead. Sauté the vegetables until soft, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 chicken bouillon cube, followed by 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give that a quick toss and cook off the tomato paste for about 1 minute. Then add 2.5 cups of water. As for the rice, we are using 2 cups of jasmine rice. Rinse the rice under cold water and add to the Instant Pot. Give that a stir to ensure that all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. Then bring the chicken pieces back into the pot. Using the Instant Pot lid, go ahead and close it. Now, to stop the Instant Pot from sautéing, hit cancel. Change it to pressure cook high. Set the time to 12 minutes and press start. When the time is up, allow the pressure to release naturally about 10 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your Instant Pot Arroz con Pollo would look like this. All left to do is to serve and enjoy. Ooh. There you guys have it, Instant Pot Arroz con Pollo. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye!
Yeah.